This is the countries which surround the Black Sea. It is tea, burger tea. So it is Bulgaria, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Romania and Turkey. There is no C to it. Therefore, the option which was saying Croatia is incorrect. So if you see tea, burger, Turkey, Bulgaria, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Romania and Turkey. Okay. Look at this in the map also. You will do it easily. Countries surrounding the Caspian Sea. It is Tariq पे तारीख कैस्पियन सी के नाम. ठीक है. That is Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Russia, Iran and Kazakhstan. So remember, it is Turkmenistan. ठीक है. So this is there. It is not Tajikistan. It is not Tajikistan. Don't do that. Incorrect. It is not Kyrgyzstan. It is not Kyrgyzstan. So remember the mnemonics. Also remember which is not there. This not syndrome will help you a lot. So it is Tariq. Tariq is Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Russia, Iran and Kazakhstan. This is your Caspian Sea. This is the Caspian Sea. Okay. This is Caspian Sea. What are the countries that are there in the Caspian Sea? It is Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. Then you have your Azerbaijan and Russia. It is not Armenia. It is not Kyrgyzstan. It is not Tajikistan. Armenia नहीं है, Tajikistan नहीं है और Kyrgyzstan नहीं है. Armenia नहीं है. Azerbaijan is there. Armenia is not there. Kyrgyzstan is not there. Tajikistan is not there. Here, can you see a simple C? This C is very simple. This is cow. K-A-U. K-A-U. So this Aral Sea is between the Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Aral Sea. Remember the Horn countries? The Horn countries, you can see this is the Horn of Africa. This is the Horn of Africa, which is Sudan, Eritrea, Ethiopia and Djibouti. Okay. Saudi Arabia is not there. Somalia is there. So this is the seed. S-E-E-D. It is not Saudi Arabia. It is Somalia. It is not Sudan. It is Somalia. So Sudan is not there. Saudi Arabia is not there. Okay. It is Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea and Djibouti. It is not Sudan. Sudan is not there. I'm sorry, it is not Sudan. So Sudan is not there. Somalia, Eritrea, Ethiopia and Djibouti. These all are there in the Horn of Africa. This Horn of Africa is also shown here. Okay. So it is your seed. Somalia, Eritrea, Ethiopia and Djibouti. This is your Horn of Africa. Sudan is not there. Saudi Arabia is not there. We already know the Great Lakes of North America. It is Homes. H-O-M-E-S. Homes because these are your homes. H-O-M-E-S. Superior, Michigan, Huron. Erie, Ontario. Superior, Michigan, Huron. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. I am basically saying west to east. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. And how do I remember this? You jump from S, you jump to M, you jump to H. You jump from E, you jump to O. So H-O-M-E-S. It is superior to Michigan, Michigan to Huron, Erie to Ontario. So this is what are the Great Lakes of the North America. The countries bordering the Red Sea. The countries bordering the Red Sea. Remember the short form DESSEY. D-E-S-S-E-Y. Djibouti. Okay, you can look at from here. It is Djibouti, Eritrea, Sudan. Okay, not Somalia. Sudan, Egypt, Saudi Arabia and Yemen. And if we include Gulf of Aqaba, अगर हम Gulf of Aqaba को भी include करेंगे. Why? Because the Gulf of Aqaba is what? The Gulf of Aqaba is the northern tip. The northern tip of the. If you include the Gulf of Aqaba, the Gulf of Aqaba, that is the northern tip of the Red Sea. If we include this, you will also get JC. Okay. So in JC, this is Jordan is new. Okay. Egypt was there. Saudi Arabia is there already and Israel. So Israel and Jordan. you can also include the Israel and the Jordan, that is JI. You can make new mnemonic. The new mnemonic for Red Sea then will become DESSY, DESSEY and JI, DESSY, that is Djibouti, Eritrea, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Yemen, Jordan and your Israel also. Jordan and the Israel also, because Gulf of Aqaba, this Gulf of Aqaba is considered to be the northern tip of the Red Sea. Ma'am, if we get an MCQ, what should we do? Okay, include JI also. But if you cannot solve the MCQ, if you cannot arrive at the right answer, then go by traditional approach, go by DESSY. Okay, this will depend on the wording of the MCQ. Okay, but for comprehensive, you should say DESSY, that is Jordan and Israel also, because Gulf of Aqaba is a part of Red Sea. Does Jordan open in Mediterranean Sea? No. Okay, Mediterranean Sea में नहीं, Red Sea में yes. Okay, now quickly see the countries that border the Mediterranean Sea. We have already seen metal, that is MATLE. I was showing west to east. You can also say metal. Morocco, Egypt, Tunisia, Algeria, Libya. This you will see. Then countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea in the Asia. In the Asia, we already know. We know Syria, Lebanon, Israel. ये तो UPSC ने ही पूछ लिया है. Obviously, Turkey तो रहेगा, because Turkey तो Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea के बीच में है. And Cyprus. Cyprus is there in the Mediterranean Sea itself. So Cyprus is there in the Mediterranean Sea. So countries from Africa, we saw metal, METAL. From Asia, you can go for CLIST, C list, that is Cyprus, Lebanon, Israel, Syria and Turkey.